So today on Let's Do a Project, we added this little shelf up through here. We blowed it and didn't do it, but it's the same as we did the bottom one. So we added the shelf to it. And my wife needs another shelf in here in the utility room, which is actually in our kitchen. The utility room, because the cabin is so small, we didn't lose any places of anything. So that little room right there with these glass doors is the utility room. So, and when we done it years ago, we took an old 6-panel door and made a shelf for it to put the microwave and stuff on. So now I'm gonna put one right up there, but we didn't have another door. We're running out of old stuff like that. So Eva bought a real nice piece of shelving board. So that's what we're gonna put up with, and we're gonna use the strips that I got when we were going to do the other. I went up into the barn and drug me another piece, and I'm just going to frame up along the wall and set the shelf on that right there, because there's not going to be anything heavy on it other than like toilet paper and paper towels and stuff like that and everything. So here we go. Second trip to the barn for one shelf. Everybody needs a trip to the barn.
Where'd you go for the first trip?
I come out here and got the measuring tape, remember? Because we misplaced. No, misplaced the other one. No, you did. You did. Yes, you did.
I did.
Yes,
I didn't even have it.
you did. You did.
Round.
So I got the little brackets up here. Actually used the level. Got the brackets up here. We got the little shelf cut. We're putting the rough end up to where to look nicer. Now all we got to do is to stick it up in here. Boom. We have a shelf. Nothing to it.
Wait, say that again.
Nothing to it.